shibenta ka jing rakhe dan buram ya ka sngikha ka banyup san jong menteri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi katanan CSR jong ka companies ta cement lom shnong hinin ka singi kala pelong likely program ba kyrpang ba kentup ka jing ai snam ka jing thung ding bat ka basa mi ki tiar don kam sheki kena jong ka school rambai yau pen sing government LP school rambai ha ka bedei bat ke jing sa mi ki tiar don kam ki kena school ka CSR kala sam sheki kena da ki kulom ki let ki kopi bat ki let rong bat la pelong ya ka jing elang palingkot ha school ha ka ba nakaliang manager ka CSR u king show ke bora lo ong ba ka ni ka jing sa mi ki tiar don kam ki kena school ka dai kum ka jing ai snobha na ka star cement bat ken ya rap ru ya ki ha ki jing pulia la kaliang ki bor penya school ru ki la pen pau ka jing sungu barai khublei ka company star cement lum shnong ka bla no senyang ye ki tiaron kam ki kena school hadien ki jing lang bat ka jing sa mi ki tiar she ki kena school la yo ru ban ot yo ki sngikha kum ka tak ka jing rakhe ya ka sngikha menteri rang ba do ka ri ha ka be dei pan bat ka jing no senyang da ka snam ni ka jing ai snam ya ka program la pelong ha health center jong ka star cement lumshnong east jantel district bat kaniru ka longkum shibenta ka jing rakhe ya ka sngikha Narendra Modi ha ka ne ka program ai snap ka company ka la shim ya ka jing trai lang bat SMNHO Joy Blood Center hapo ka jingalam ka Dr. Ibansara Kenriam ha ka ne ka jing ai snam la yo ban lum ya ka snam hado san po yunin bat ha shwa ka ni ru ha ki banai blalen ha ka ba kum ka ni ka program la ai snam la yo lum ya ka snam sau pu ar yunin bat ya ka snam bala lum la no senyang shaka jaka bo snam ha blood center jowai ka star cement ka la pelong ru ya ka program thung ding ha ka ba lai spatli ki tan riding la thung ha jaka jong ka company kum ki ding champa nim jamun bat ding puma la ong ba ka ni ka jing thung ding kam dei tang pan pen kop rong jengam ya ka jaka jong ka company henry ka thawru ya ka jing don men siam pan pen ya ringkat ya ki wei ha po ka maryang la ni ka ta ka ecological balance ha ka te ka program thung ding le shimbenta de gi shispa ngot ki nongtre jong ka company star cement bat ongru ba ka ni ka pen iru ya ka jingyo I jingai menteri rang ba do ka ri ban pelong ya ka ri India ka ba kup rong jengam ki he jong ka company ki bale don lang ha ki program ki kenthum u Lokesh Kumar Baheti u badei u unit head jong ka star cement lumshnong u Devender Kumar Bansal u badei u management representative u AVMRV Ram Kishore AVSM VSM retired Sir GM HRD and ADM but u Dr. Sanjeev Deka u badei u medical officer jong ka health center star cement lumshnong but ki wei ki badei ki nongtre jong ka company
seperti yang di kamp school kamp tabi kamp noi kai pada pi school ro masalah itu nin happy kena arui o mai pinar ni step lah arui ti umana ni program ni dan merayu hijau idul dia mini parlok iba puan tanah star cement berada boy hari ini dapat just day boy yang ini hanya step jisket usar selok dah kerpan ini dia lada hoi desa bahau ia ki chat kam tahu pernah kami kena pre-primary pada kena kelas 1 dan kerana boleh berkat dalam rakyat ia tu dichat yo cipon ini tiap dan cipon ini tiap minta yo pi waman kam kadak le urakhe yang ada kesini ajing dap nyau kausan snem yang prime minister yang kari yang we prime minister we Narendra Modi oh very good Narendra Modi ni dah sini nyau kausan snem madam bekam ada u khuble nementa usar bora Sarbora wakati tim yang kita na Star Cement pada puas mabahang school senior bahau ejin tapti wahe apa nidamku. Sir, and once again this morning we as a school we are very happy and delighted that we have come once again in our school, not only coming here again but again sir by giving us this materials. Especially these materials will be very useful for us and will be very helpful for our students, especially students who are studying in our school are mostly underprivileged students, sir. And we hope with these things that we are going to provide them today will be a very happy and they will be very happy
in our company and respected teachers, my dear students. Yes, this is my second time to visit your school, and just before a few days ago that your Teachers Day we have visited. And it's a request from my school authority that few materials were not able to provide on that day, especially the educational charge. So along with the educational charge, some materials for the students can be useful, and they are already in my office, so I just bring for these materials for you students.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, his inspiring leadership vision,
Itu em. Thank you. Thank you. Tan maka tu kan.
तो नहीं है हैं कुंडी टाइम मोटा टागना आदमी है कुंडी टाइम दे रहा हूं अभी 20 टाइम
I'm Dr. Kyrpang. I'm the in charge of Joy Civil Hospital Blood Center. And on behalf of Joy Civil Hospital Center, I take this opportunity to thank this Star Cement Limited for organizing this voluntary donation camp today, especially on the occasion of celebrating the birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister. I would really like to sincerely thank them for conducting this blood donation drive. And then as today 17th June, it is the occasion where we start this blood donation drive. So thank you so much to all the Star Cement for your continuous support to us. You've been supporting us time and again, and it was just few months back that you've conducted this donation drive, and again today you're conducting. Thank you for saving the lives of so many people in Jainti Hills. Thank you.
मैं मोदी जी के 75th बर्थडे पे उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। और जो हमारे CSR डिपार्टमेंट लेड बाय श्री राम किशोर जी, जो उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया विद कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ जवाई ब्लड बैंक से, और इस ब्लड बैंक के इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज किया। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, जो कि किसी ज़रूरतमंद के काम आएगा। मतलब और काफ़ी क्वांटिटी में, जो मैंने सुना है कि काफ़ी क्वांटिटी में ब्लड डोनर्स आगे आए हैं, और काफ़ी अच्छी क्वांटिटी ब्लड की एकत्रित होकर हमारे यहाँ से